Hi all, so welcome to this channel, and today I am presenting this topic that is use of percentile address built-in function to extract address of a field in RPGLE. So basically I'm going to uh, work with the pointers in RPGLE. So written a two or three liner code here that I'll be showing you. So this is a simple code which will let you know the concepts of pointer or this percentile ADDR built-in function in RPGLE. So let me explain this that whenever we are declaring any variable in a program, then there is a memory which gets associated or allocated to that variable. So for example, if a string variable of character, so 50 bytes would be allocated to this string variable when this program gets called, and you can see a pointer variable as well here. So pointer variable is not something which is pointing to a memory. Basically a pointer is a variable which contains a specific type of data such as the address of any field. So whenever any field is uh, created, or you can say used in the program or defined in the program, then a memory of that such number of bytes, whatever the length it has, or how much each length uh, occupies how much bytes, so depend upon that a memory gets allocated to that variable, and the memory address, whatever the memory in the storage gets allocated, the address of that memory would be stored in this variable. And whenever we are basically uh, seeing the data in these, or doing the arithmetic operation, doing the operations like uh, evaluating the fields, changing the fields, or removing the fields from clearing the fields, so basically we are playing with the memory address, memory storage. So we are changing the data at the storage, not in this field. So this field is just a reference to that storage. So this character field would be referring to some storage, memory storage of length 50 bytes, and basically this stores, keeps the address of that storage internally, and we are playing with that. Now this pointer variable, now if we'll get any way to extract the address of the memory, to extract the address of the memory which this variables is referring to, then we can play with that address, or we can perform anything, or we can just say we can pass that pointer to some other variables, or assign the values to some other variables. So like these things we can perform, but here I would say that I'm basically storing the address of the memory storage allocated to this variable in this pointer variable using this line. So percentile ADDR built-in function will basically extract the memory address of this variable where this data is stored, and it will assign that address to this pointer variable. So this pointer variable will now hold the address of this thing. So that's what's here I'm gonna explaining, and at last the program ends. So let's compile this, just debug this. just call this. Now once I call the program, you can see 50 length storage, memory storage is allocated to this, and we can see that area here that contains that is empty right now. And for now we don't have the memory address of this string variable, this character variable, so we cannot access that memory right now. So for to accessing that memory, we have defined a pointer variable. And how we'll be extracting that? So this has assigned the 50 characters data. Let me show you attribute of this variable. So you can see this is a fixed length string of length 50 bytes, and the same way I'll showing you the pointer variable attributes. So you can see 16 byte address would be assigned to this. Currently it is null because the program is initialized and this pointer variable does not contain anything. So this is pointing to a memory, to none of the memory basically. So it's pointing to null right now. Sorry, I would better to say that it does not contain any address, and it would contain null right now because pointer is not something which is pointing to the memory. It's just a data type which stores a specific type of data, that is the address of any variable. So this does not mean that this is pointing to some memory. So this simply stores the address. Now once I execute this line, now a string variable has this data, and using this built-in function %ADDR, and I'm then extracting the string variable address, memory address to this pointer. Now this pointer, you can see, stores the address which is extracted using this built-in function of the following variable. So at this memory location we are basically, or you can say this memory address was assigned to this variable, and and the memory was of 50 characters, 50 bytes you can say. Now if I want to see what data is stored at this address, I would simply do eval ptr :c and will write the length. So length is of 50, so I can see the correct data and which is stored at the address of this pointer variable. So at this address this data is stored, as what we can see through this variable as well. Now if I want to see the hex value, we can also see the hex value. So this was the hex value which is stored, and after that we can see the blanks. We can see the hex value and corresponding character data here. Now if I want to see the data after 50 length as well, 55 let's say, so we'll see some garbage data there because we have basically allocated 50 bytes to this variable, and this pointer variable is storing the address which uh, which is storing the address of this variable till 50 length. So this is what the funda is, and that's all here. So I think you got the concept of %ADDR in RPG. That's all. Thank you and have a nice time.